ये एक मंजिल है तो रास्ते भी होंगे और मेंटर भी जो मुश्किलों को आसान बना दे। नतीजे संयोग नहीं होते, दूसरों से बेहतर स्कोर होते हैं। GS Score, an institute for civil services.
Good career is a process, and mentoring at GS Score is driven by primarily two objectives. One is empowerment and another is excellence. This is what we are known for.
कामयाबी की राह पर 1000 से भी ज्यादा निशान। GS Score।
My name is Anushri and I have secured All India rank of 220 in UPSC CSE 2024. My optional is chemistry and I have been given this platform by DKT to share my strategy. Prelims की तैयारी में कई बार गलतियां होती हैं। सबसे पहली गलती ये है कि मल्टीपल रिसोर्सेज लोग लेते हैं। हमें एक ही किताब को बार बार रिवाइज करना चाहिए। मल्टीपल रिविजन ऑफ सिंगल रिसोर्स is the most important thing in the prelims. Other than that, focusing on current affairs is also very important. For CSAT, practicing with some tips and tricks is also of utmost importance. Common mistakes committed by aspirants during the preparation is not practicing enough, not practicing answer writing, not revising enough, and not following current affairs. So this was my fourth attempt and I was not able to clear prelims in 2021 and 23. The first and foremost mistake that I committed was not focusing on current affairs. And the second was that I did not practice enough. So I changed the strategy. I religiously followed newspaper, read it each day. Other than that, I also followed monthly magazines, which I used to revise at least 7 to 8 times. And for practice, I gave around 50 to 60 full-length tests before prelims every alternate day, starting from January. Prelims में 2021 और 2023 में मैं असफल रही थी। उससे मैंने कुछ जो अपनी मिस्टेक्स थी उससे मैंने कुछ लर्निंग्स ली और वन ऑफ द लर्निंग्स वाज दैट करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ने चाहिए। तो रोज न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती थी मैं। द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस आता था, अगर आपके यहाँ द हिंदू आता है तो वो भी अच्छा है, यहाँ द हिंदू नहीं आता था। रोज न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ें, उसके कुछ लोग नोट्स बना सकते हैं और अगर आप नोट्स ना बना पाए तो मेरी तरह कोई भी किसी भी कोचिंग की मंथली मैगजीन पढ़ें। वो मंथली मैगजीन आपको बार बार रिवाइज करने होते हैं। जैसे कि मैं एक महीने में 7 बार रिवाइज करती थी, इस तरह की मैं 25 पेज रोज पढूं उस मंथली मैगजीन की, इससे वो बार बार रिवीजन हो जाता था। तो करंट अफेयर्स का एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है। उसके साथ साथ prelims also requires a lot of practice. So I practiced sectional and full length test both. In sectional test, I used to practice till December, but after December, from January onwards, I totally switched into full length test. In full length test, I took for diversity, I took mock tests from various coaching so that I can break the monotony and get the maximum diverse experience. And the criteria or the schedule of giving the test was such that I used to give full length test every alternate day from January onwards till the day of the prelims, so that I get into that zone of giving the examination. So all in all, I must have given about 50 to 60 full length tests, but this is not a hard and fast number. You can give the test according to your own capacity and caliber. शुरुआती दिनों में time management was a bit difficult. But I learned from the mistakes, and my parents, my mother and father particularly, helped me to create a very good foolproof timetable, which was very doable. It was according to the biological clock, such that it helped me be very sane. The timetable was such that I used to wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. I used to sit in the study table by 8. Then I studied from 8 to 12 continuously. By 1 p.m. I finished my lunch and took a little power nap in the afternoon, and then I woke up at about 4:30 or 5 in the evening, sat again by 6 to study, and 6 to 12 was again my study time. In the middle, I used to take some breaks for dinner and leisure, and after 12 I went to the bed. So this was my schedule, and following a very disciplined routine is important in a exam like UPSC, which is as long as 2 years, even if you crack it in the very first attempt. क्योंकि ये बहुत ही लंबा सफर होता है, तो इसमें कॉन्फिडेंस हाई होना थ्रू आउट इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, पर ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं है कि हर समय आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ही बढ़ा हुआ हो। कभी कभी जब असफलताएं हाथ लगती हैं तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जगमगाता है और इसी समय आपके परिवार का बहुत अहम भूमिका होती है। 2023 में जब मैं प्रीलिम्स नहीं क्लियर कर पाई 633rd रैंक लाने के बाद भी, that was one of the lowest point in my life, but I think it was the support of my parents. They were my cheerleaders who always motivated me and made me believe in myself and my hard work, which is why I was able to work hard again with all the courage for 2024, and with their support I came out with flying colors and secured all India rank of 220 in 2024. जी, प्रीलिम्स में अटेम्प्ट का बहुत ही ज़्यादा महत्व होता है। अब इसको समझने के लिए, क्योंकि सबके लिए अपने अलग अलग नंबर्स होते हैं, किसी की एक्यूरेसी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है तो वो कम अटेम्प्ट करते हैं। Some people have very low accuracy, so they have to attempt higher number of questions. To each its own. What I would advise is that one has to decide it for themselves by giving mock test. When you give full length test, analyze them and accordingly set your number of attempts, and I think that's definitely going to help. रिविजन की जो स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई थी वो इस तरह से थी कि जो स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स हैं उनको बार बार पढ़ना है। तो व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई डिवाइडेड द प्रीलिम्स सिलेबस इन 6 पार्ट्स, which included modern Indian history, medieval history, geography, environment, polity, economy. Now these were the main 6 parts. Apart from that, we also have current affairs and science and technology, but I covered my science and technology from current affair itself, which I covered on the daily basis. Now these six subjects were covered 5 days each, such that I was able to cover the entire prelim syllabus in 1 month. So that helped me effective revision and also fast revision. Mock test has been instrumental in my preparation throughout, not just in prelims but also in mains and mains and interview. Mock test help you to gauge your performance, to understand your weak areas and also your strong areas, to work on the weak areas. They also teach you time management. They also teach you the number of questions that you're supposed to attempt. Mock test also give you the habit of sitting in a particular position for very many number of hours. So mock tests are very, very important, and one must definitely give a lot of mock tests to be successful in this examination. I would like to advise myself to focus on current affairs religiously, read newspapers each day, follow monthly magazines, and I would also tell myself to do multiple revisions of standard books. Yeah, these were the 2 prime advice that I'll give myself.